Took a nice little detour through cold and rainy Prismo Beach because I accidentally clicked Prismo Beach on my GPS instead of Prismo Beach Pickers. I believe that's where I'm at. So I have just gotten to the Prismo Beach Antique Mall. I'm a little cold. I'm a little like, I've been on the road now for 3 weeks and a day. I'm very much so looking forward to checking into my hotel in a couple hours. But in the meantime, let's check this out. See if we can find some more treasures. Oh my God, I swear that wasn't planned. Oh my gosh, we have to go in here now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this has got a huge chip. But look at you. He's missing a hand. He's so fantastic though.
Yeah.
$30 as found. Dang. Can't do that with the hand, especially because I want to so bad. I love this. Dang. Okay. This looks like it's probably newer. No, it's not. It's Ohio art. Neat. Love the tin. 35. This one's older. This is like a full set. That one's cool. Oh, so cool. Cute, cute, cute. I love this cat cookie jar. Oh, wait, an old kaleidoscope. This is, right? No. No, 2002. It looks like the Japan one. Ooh. All jewelry on this table, $10. That's fun. I might have to get that actually. Little cupies. Oh my gosh, how fun. I kind of love this pin cushion. It's like a art glass turtle pin cushion. Whoa. Okay. Oh my gosh, I love that little tiara. 28. Vintage tiaras are kind of pricey. That's actually not bad. I love that bag. That's probably expensive. So neat. Gosh, it's chilly in here too. Oh, look at this funny owl mug. Oh, I love him. $8. Double-sided. What's the date on this? I think it's 88. That's really fun. Little Betsy Johnson bag. Ooh, this is pretty with the hand-painted butterfly. 28. This is cool. 18. Squirrel. Oh my gosh, look at this cute little monkey. I kind of love him. Made in Taiwan. How much is it though? I can't get the tag to go my way. Nothing's going my way. Just kidding. That's a little dramatic. That's a 12 though. Little bell bike. Bike bell, excuse me. Fried. Love Notes color-filled notebook. That's cute. It's unused too. How much is it though? I don't see a price tag. Oh my gosh. Ah, 22. That's a little close. Miller Studios. Swap a smile, trade some cheer. I really want to justify spending $22 on it. I think it's just because that. Look at this thing. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, look at this little owl with the top hat. $8. Oh, he's fantastic. All right, so I need to get this because he's too good to pass up. Look at this. This is neat. I love the Reno thermometer too at 15. All right, so there's some really neat stuff here for sure. And I have my first items, so I have permission granted to start a little pile now. Look at this angel. As is 15. What's this pin cushion? That's kind of cool. 16. It's a little steep for me. Very steep for a resale for me, that is. And then, what's this little owl brooch? 20 bucks. Take my owl. Ooh, is this gonna be Rosaline or Napco? I think it's Napco, $20 though. Oh my gosh, look at the little bone china poodles. Those are at 18 each though. And this big-eyed poodle thing, cute, but 20. Love all the bride and groom cake toppers. Oh my gosh. Look at what's this case has to offer. So many cute things. How much is this amazing vase? $30. The glass is a little tricky to move. Baby planter. This is what, chip, and it's not exactly what I thought it was. What's this little elf down here? Here's some more tin types. A lot of people didn't really like my tin types. I think they're so amazing, some of them. I still have some left from my last sale. Oh my gosh, look at this. Stamps. This wood stamps book is amazing. $35. At least there's good stuff here. I think I would have cried if I had a strikeout at this point. Oh my gosh, this guy is such a vibe. So funny. More little pin cushions. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take this one by one because I can already see some of the stuff's expensive for resale purposes, that is. Okay, how much is this? The butterfly is $24. These are what really are. This one's $40, but it's so spectacular. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, I want all of them. This one's probably my favorite. I go Japan. Oh, I wish I could justify that so bad. For resale, not myself. Look at this cute fabric. Oh, it's a little quilt. Oh, it's a little blanket. Oh my gosh, how sweet. Oh my gosh, shut the front door. This one's 20. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna make sure there's no stains on this because I'm literally about to pay $20 for this. This is so stinking cute. I really, really hope this does as well as I think it will because it's perfect. I mean, it's got that like little snag right there, but other than that, it looks really, oh no, it's not a snag. It's from the, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Let's check the other side, make sure it's not gnarly. Nope, clean and coming with us. So cute. Oh my gosh, they got all kinds of stuff in here. Where'd my owl go? Here he is. Okay, deep breaths. I'm gonna start, try not to avert my eyes anywhere. This one's $19. Oh my gosh, look at these mushroom mugs, so fun. 15 each. And then this little clown mug, that's 14. All kinds of fun stuff. Oh, I just had to smell the blanket to make sure it didn't smell weird. It doesn't, so good. Because that would be such a bummer if I got in the car and I was like, what does that smell? The little knee hugger, he's at 15. Oh my gosh, stop it. Look at all this fun stuff. Look at this guy, look at Chip. We love Chip, although rubber face monkeys have not been doing well for me. And that one's at 45. Good luck to you. That's what I say, 45. Fenton cat, 40. This Italian cat, it says as found. Repair to tail, 18. I don't think I want to buy anything repaired. Let's see. I love that because I cannot wait to eat cake at the Madonna Inn tonight. Oh, what's going on over here? Flower brooches. this is a cool one. $10. All right, I'm gonna put the owl and the blanket up there and come back. But also look at this towel hanger in the original packaging. Oh, I love the graphic on that. These are cool, these Italian. 75. Definitely more into the kitschy booth. I'm still very bothered by this situation. I really, really, really wish I could justify that. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to know. I see the little shaker says $4.25. Definitely out of my price range. The hula girl is amazing. Okay, more funky. We like funky. Owls, those are fun. Oh my gosh, look at these. Neat, neat, neat. It's like very well curated. That's the word I'm looking for. Oh my gosh, how cute, this little terry cloth top. That's cute. I definitely don't need it. It's nothing compared to the dresses I've been finding. My gosh, or the top I'm wearing. I found this one in, where was I? Beaumont, California. I was so excited to get up and get dressed for going out to what I thought was going to be the sunny beach today until I realized it's freaking cold and raining, man. What's this? Whoa, 16 real photographs from the World's Fair. That's neat. Huh. Hold on. All right, well, I think we're gonna have to go ahead and take a chance on this, especially because it's got the original packaging. World's Fair stuff is super collectible, and the graphic on this alone is amazing. I can't believe this is only $10. And it actually has the all 16 photographs and the little archives paper. Huh, what year is this from again? Yeah, this is cool. For 10 bucks, I'm gonna take a chance on it. Oh my gosh. Wait, okay, first of all, elephant situation, 12, so cute. What about you? 27, totally fair. Bozo, there's so much going on here. Okay, look at this squeak dog. Oh, and this guy, he's so cute. He's made in Japan too. He's 9. I need to know what Bozo is. This, oh, there's just stuff everywhere. Cowboy mouse. 12. Oh my gosh. You're amazing. You're amazing. You're amazing, Cowboy Mouse. You bring joy, and we need joy. I don't even know where to start here. All right. I think we're going to start with what's going on with Bozo. I need to know. Color forms. Oh, I remember those. Those were so much fun. And this is different than I remember. Huh. I don't know. About $12 for resale. The elephant's pretty fantastic. Oh, but I love the cowboy mouse. And then what's the top here? It's fun. That's at $8. Ohio. Oh, I can't decide. I don't want to get both. Let me look at how much, what the condition is. It is a little worn, but it's just like I'm gonna have a lot into him. I feel like this guy's pretty fantastic. Sheriff Mouse. I'm overwhelmed. Speaking of overwhelmed, look at this booth. Oh my gosh, that blue hat. That's everything. Huh. The little art glass on the pink one on the left, I'm really into. Gosh, there's just so much to look at. Thank goodness. I'm also really into these bangles. These are fun. Oh, people would go nuts over these colors. Let's see. Yeah, those are like the best mid-century colors too. And I see they say $4 each. Those are vintage. And then look at this one. Western Germany. Fantastic. That's at $8. I think it's really fantastic though. I'm gonna take a chance on all of these.